Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to track changes in Google Sheets so you can see who edited what and restore older versions. There isn't a button called Track Changes, but it's built in. Method 1. View Version History, Full Change Tracking. This is the main way to track edits. Step 1. Click File, Version History, see Version History, or use shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H. Step 2. You'll see a timeline on the right, names of people who made edits, timestamps, color-coded changes. Click any version to preview it. Step 3. Restore a previous version. If needed, click Restore this version. Your sheet goes back instantly. Example scenario. Someone changes it to 80,000. Open version history and you'll see who made the change, when it happened. What cell was edited? Method 2. Name important versions. If you're finishing a report, File, Version History, name current version. Give it a label like Final Report, March. Now you can return to it anytime. Method 3. Show edit history for a single cell. Want to see changes to one cell only? Right-click the cell. Click Show Edit History. You'll see previous values, who changed it, date and time. Perfect for auditing specific numbers. Important. Version history only works if the file is stored in Google Drive. You're working in Google Sheets, not downloaded Excel. That's how you track changes in Google Sheets, using version history and cell edit history. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.